Introducing the all-new Corolla.
Vice Speaker B.J. Cruz met with Immigrations and Customs Enforcement officials in their Enforcement and Removal Operations Office in San Francisco on last week Thursday. Specifically, he met with Director Timothy Aiken and Deputy Director John Martinez to discuss the increasing burden that FAS citizens place on Guam's public services. He pointed to the increasing number of FAS citizens who commit crimes, thus increasing the burden on GPD, the courts, DYA, and the Department of Corrections. He cited the 2012 Compact Impact Report, which shows that Guam has spent an estimated $125 million on FAS citizens, while the island has only received $15 million annually in Compact Impact funding. The Vice Speaker also pointed out the section of federal regulations that allows for the deportation of FAS citizens who have not been self-supporting for more than 60 days.
I was shocked because they claimed that they didn't realize that the Compact of Free Association and that the federal statute gave them the authority to remove somebody for not being employed for 60 days.
Cruz cited a 2012 survey of FAS migrants to the CNMI, Guam, Hawaii, and the U.S. mainland, in which it was found that 46% of the 3,241 responders reported that they either did not work at all or had a period of unemployment that exceeded 60 days in 2011. The 2012 Compact Impact Report from the Governor's Office shows that DOC intake of FAS residents increased from 873 in 2010 to 1,132 in 2012, equating a cost of $5.38 million. According to the same report, the total FAS population in 2012 was estimated at 22,227.
Told the federal officials that these are your invitees, and as long as they're working or in school, they're welcome. But once they're not working, they're not in school, and especially if they're committing crimes, they're your responsibility, and you need to make sure that they are removed and returned to their country of origin.
The Vice Speaker says the Director and Deputy Director told him that they would look into the matter.
They said they were going to talk to their legal staff about how to be able to implement that provision.
Cruz also wants to be sure to point out that he's not saying that all FAS citizens are a burden on the community.
To those compact citizens who are on Guam who have been through UOG or GCC or currently employed, I commend them, my hat's off to them, because they are showing and proving what's great about America, the opportunities that are there. And those that have taken advantage of the opportunity to be educated and to be employed can and should be the ones that we get publicity.